Hi guys, welcome back to my channel and to a morning routine video. Today I'm going to show you everything that we do on a typical weekday morning, and I also have an incredible discount code to share with you guys from Skin and Me and a brand new product from them. But I'm also going to show you everything that we do in terms of lunches, snacks, chores, our cleaning routine, my workout routine. We also had a food shop on this morning. I'm going to show you the dog walk, everything that we do to get ready, to get the 3 kids ready and out the door on time. So there's a lot in this video. I really hope you enjoy it. And with all that said, let's get straight into today's video. So I start out the day, I actually set my alarm for 6 a.m. But as you can see, Jackson and Kiki still very much asleep. I try to wake up before the kids only 3 days a week, and on a workout day I actually lay out my clothes on the bathroom floor so that it's that much easier for me to just literally wake up, walk in, put them on. Try to take any friction out of that process. So I'm just going to put my workout clothes straight on, and then I'm actually going to go downstairs and start on the snacks. So I'm also going to make a coffee, of course. So early in the morning I just tend to have a black coffee. I've been doing a little bit of intermittent fasting lately, so black coffee you can have in your fasting window. But anyway, I've got that. I'm going to make the lunches. So they basically didn't want the school dinners today, so I'm making cheese sandwiches. I'm also going to put some crisps in there, a little chocolate bar, and then an orange tangerine as well. And so that is all done, nothing too exciting. And then I'm also going to fill up all of their water bottles. I actually do 4 because Jackson likes to have 2. And then I'm also going to make their snacks. So for Fraser, I'm doing an orange and an apple. And then I actually picked up some alphabet cookies from IKEA recently. So I'm going to give them those. Obviously, we don't get these very often, but when I do, they totally love them. And then for the little ones, I'm doing IKEA cookies and cut up grapes as well. So I always try to do like some fruit, something pre-packaged. By now it is about 6:25 in the morning, and Kiki woke up around now. She's normally my first baby that is awake, so I'm just going to give her loads of love. I'm also going to open up some of the blinds in the playroom, and I'm going to empty the dishwasher as well. I normally do this early in the morning, so I'm quickly just going to put everything away, and then I'm going to actually go back upstairs to do my skincare and just get myself a bit more ready for the day. So I'm going to wash my face using my Skin and Me cleanser, and then I'm going to moisturize and apply sunscreen as well. And Skin and Me have just launched a brand new sunscreen. It's called Daily Defense. It's oil-free and SPF 50, and I've been using it for the past couple of weeks and I love it. I'm a huge fan of Skin and Me in general. You've probably heard me talk about them. I just feel like their products have really improved my skin over the past year. And of course, I want to protect my face from UVA, UVB rays and aging, but also when you use active ingredients on your skin, it's even more important that you really protect it in the sun. So if you don't know, Skin and Me make powerful personalized skincare products that contain active ingredients. So the products are designed by dermatologists, so you basically get expert care without having to wait for a dermatologist or without the price tag. So you basically go onto their website, you fill out a simple online consultation, and you also share 3 makeup-free photos with them. That then goes off to their dermatology team. They'll look at your photos, look at your notes, and come up with a treatment design specifically for you. The product is completely personalized and tailored for your skin and your skin goals. It even has your name on it. And I love using my daily doser, which is basically the treatment product that is designed specifically for you. So I use that at night. I will cleanse, and then I'll treat my skin, and then I'll put moisturizer on. And I love it. So simple to use. You basically just twist the product up until you hear a click, and then you get the exact right amount of treatment that you need. So it's really transformed my nightly skincare routine. But of course, using active ingredients makes your skin photosensitive, so it means daily sunscreen is basically non-negotiable. And this one is dermatologist designed to protect your skin. It shields it from skin aging UVA rays and UVB damage, which is the primary cause of skin cancers and photo aging as well. It also has great ingredients in it like niacinamide, vitamin E, dimethicone as well. And what I love about it is really quick drying. It's like a feather light formula and it's designed for daily use, and it's actually a really good makeup primer. So I'll moisturize, then I'll put my sunscreen on as well, and it's obviously a high level sun protection, and it's basically a primer all in one. It doesn't clog your pores. It works really well as a makeup base. So if you want to test it out for yourself, you can actually get an incredible discount off of the Daily Doser and a free trial of the new Daily Defense sunscreen. I'll put a link in my description down below, but my code is going to be Emily NO6Y. If you use that code, you'll get your first Daily Doser for just £4.99 and a free trial of the new Daily Defense sunscreen. So yes, I'll put the link in the description down below. Then I'm going to open up the blinds and I'm just going to brush my hair and put the tiniest bit of makeup on. Normally when I am working out, I just don't bother. Basically 2 times a week I will work out online with my friend who's a PT, but then once a week I actually meet her in person. So today I'm actually going to her house. She has a little studio, so I am going to put on a tiny bit of concealer. I'm also going to put on a little bit of like a tinted moisturizer, and then I'm also going to put on a tiny bit of bronzer just to feel a little bit more put together. I probably don't need to bother with this because I'm just going to work out and come back home. But now that I'm ready, I'm just going to grab the kids' clothes. I always leave them out on the banister. Fraser, though, he'll just get himself ready in the morning. But then I'm going to make my way downstairs, and then basically the house will start to wake up. So the first one that was awake today was Jackson. So he's gone straight over to Kiki to give her loads of love. She always tends to sit here because it's the best view of the garden. It's basically her TV. And then I'm going to get the kids some breakfast. So once a week we get a juice delivery. This juice is really great for the kids. It's packed full of vegetables and fruit. The boys are pretty good at eating fruit, but this also has beetroot in it, carrot, along with apple, other things like that. So I'm going to give Jackson one of those. He absolutely loves them. They're called Iron Mans. And then Fraser wakes up. He always comes down fully kind of ready for the day because he leaves that bit earlier. And he's having a cheese bagel and some strawberries this morning, whereas the little ones are going to have some porridge. So I'm just going to grab the oats. I tend to always do 1 cup of oats and then 2 cups of boiling water, and then I'll maybe add a little bit of milk at the end to kind of make it that bit creamier. So I will just keep stirring this on the hob until it's nice and soft, and then tend to serve it with maybe a little bit of sugar or maple syrup, maybe some fruit. But the little ones really like it, and I feel like oats is such a great kind of breakfast. I mean, some days we do pancakes, some days we do waffles, some days we do toast. It really just depends. At around 7:30, if Caleb isn't awake already, we will go and wake him up. He absolutely loves his sleep. He loves a lion. So Matt is trying to gently wake him up here, and eventually he does come downstairs and he will have a breakfast. I also wanted to show you, I got these really cute chore charts on Amazon for my 2 little ones. So once you've done a task, you just slide it across to say you've done it, and you can actually change everything that it says on the left hand side. But actually what it had was quite good. So there's some morning tasks and some evening tasks as well that they can kind of tick off. Now I've actually had a second coffee, so I'm going to brush my teeth, and I'm also going to make the bed. I almost try to like air it out when I'm doing stuff in the morning and then make it once I'm ready. And then I need to just quickly put on my trainers and take Fraser to school. We leave at around 8 a.m. to take him. There's worse traffic going to his school, and he likes to get in a little bit earlier. He's got all of his bags. He's literally got a suitcase today of stuff that he needs, like for cricket. So we're going to load up the car, and then I'm going to take him, and I take his little friend as well. We kind of do like a bit of a car share, and then I'm going to go to my workout, whereas Matt's going to stay at home, look after the little ones, get them ready, and take them to school. So I'll show you that in a second. But yeah, I only do this once a week, come to my workout. So today is the day. Don't think that I do this every day, because I really don't. But I do find that when I actually go to hers for a session, I definitely work harder. She's got all of this equipment. She's got so many more weights than I have. And you can see on my step counter or my, Apple Watch, like how many calories you've burnt and how hard you've worked. It's definitely more when I actually go to her. So I do mostly strength training, a little bit of cardio, doing some core work on the floor here with a football, and it's just really fun. I really like hanging out with her, so it makes it definitely more enjoyable. And while I was at my workout, we had a food delivery arrive, so Matt is unpacking that here. We just got the usual things for dinner: bagels, yogurts, hummus, coconut milk, apples, some treats as well. So he basically just unloaded all of that, put it all away as well. Sorry, he didn't give you a full grocery haul, but you can kind of see we've got passata for pizzas, which we're going to have this weekend, some stuff for salads, stuff like that. He's also going to get the boys ready. They actually had a non-uniform day today. Their classes were all wearing different colors. So Jackson's wearing red, Caleb's wearing yellow, and then he's done the school run and then taking Kiki immediately for a walk. We always try to take her out first thing in the morning. We just find it's nice for her to have that routine, and if we kind of just leave it till later, I feel like she's just staring at me like, please take me, when are you going to take me? So he did that, and then once I've done my workout, I'm going to come home at around, it's probably 10 o'clock now, so I'm going to have my breakfast. So that's what I meant about the fasting. I know some people start by like midday, but I can pretty much make it 10 or 11 in the morning, and then I just need to eat. So I'm having an omelette today. So I've got some peppers, some onion. I'm also going to put some cheese in there as well, and then I tend to serve it with cottage cheese. Then I'm also going to have decaf coffee. I don't have more than 2 caffeinated coffees, and I'm having this one with coconut milk. Then I'm going to sit, eat, and answer some emails. I'm actually still really sweaty and disgusting from my workout, but I kind of need to get on with a few things. And then I actually had a phone call with my manager, so we're just talking about like anything I have to do this week. So I had that call, ate that. I'm also going to have some collagen. So I tend to put these marine collagen sachets into just a little bit of water, starting doing that as I'm getting older. And it's really good for your joints and for your skin and for your hair. And then I'm just going to basically do a quick cleanup of the morning aftermath before I go and have a shower. I figured I might as well tidy up while I'm all sweaty and gross still, and then actually go and have a shower. So I'm just going to quickly do my 6-step morning routine. I'm going to wipe down the surfaces. I'm going to put the dishwasher on if it needs it. I'm going to put a wash on. I'm going to quickly do the floors. I'm going to clean the sink. Obviously you saw me make my bed, so I'm just doing a really quick 10-minute whiz around before then going upstairs and having a shower. I'm not washing my hair today. I'm literally just quickly having a body wash. And then once I'm out of the shower, I'm going to put a little bit more makeup on because I am going to film a video today. So you can see Kiki is asleep on our bed after her walk. She's just chilling out. So I'm going to just top up my makeup with a little bit of foundation. I'm using, I think it's called It's Better Than Skin, but I'll try and link some of these in the description as well. Topping up some concealer, and I'm actually going to put on some eyeshadow. I always feel like I'm not that great at whilst doing my eye makeup, but I really like this NARS palette, so I'm putting a dark color in the crease, and then I'm going to put a slightly lighter one on top, and then like a bit of a shiny one in the center of my eye. I'm not sure if that's really how you do it, but that's how I do it. Then I'm going to add a little bit of bronzer, and then I always tend to put a little bit of pink on my cheeks. I just feel like that really makes me look a bit healthier. So I'm using again another palette to do that. And then I'm going to do my brows. I'm using just like a brow gel. I had microblading years ago and it's kind of still there. So I'm just going to use a little bit of this and then a little bit of lipstick. And then I'm going to curl my hair as well. And as you can see, I have put on a bright blue jumper. This morning, I'm going to film a haul video. So I'm just going to sit on the couch in my bedroom and film that. I'm just brushing my curls through, and that is pretty much everything. I am ready for the day. I'm gonna get on, do a little bit of work, maybe film some stuff for Instagram as well. So yeah, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to check out my Skin and Me discount code in the description down below. You can get your first daily doser for $4.99 and a free sample of the new Daily Defense sunscreen. So yes, links below, and thank you so much for watching. Bye guys!